Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on fingerprint unlock, and as you can see I do not have the screen lock added. If you do not have one also, you'll have to do it right now. So let me choose the pattern, for example. Here we've got the information that basically if the fingerprint sensor won't work, then we will still be able to unlock the device with the pattern pin or password. That is why we are adding the screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be just transferred to another step. So let's tap on got it. Let me draw the pattern. Let's redraw it and confirm. Simply tap on got it. Basically, here we've got the information about the fingerprint sensor, which is under the screen, so it may be affected with the third-party screen protectors. Alright, so here we've got the fingerprint scanner. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, let's tap on done. Here we've got our fingerprint section, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it here or remove it. We can add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, so the lock screen, which is turned on by default, but also privacy, passwords, app lock, etc. Here we've got the fingerprint animation, so it's up to you, of course. You can change it and set any option you prefer. And some other options, so to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off, or low light fingerprint unlock. Highly recommend to check all of the options and customize it. So let me quickly check whether the fingerprint sensor one works. So let's lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.